Here are 3 reasons why a majority of young people are having stroke. You see, the year has not ended, but if I'm to tell you the number of young people who are having stroke, you'll be shocked, because as a physician assistant, we usually encounter such cases. After taking their history, they are always linked to some possible causes, and that is what I would want us to look at in today's video. If you are new to this channel, my name is Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. Now, the first cause is that a lot of young people are now developing some chronic conditions. You see, at first, if you are to hear of someone with hypertension, diabetes, or high cholesterol, it was always the elderly people. But nowadays, young people are developing hypertension, diabetes, and high cholesterol, and that can lead to stroke. Second major cause is that we are not utilizing regular medical checkups. You see, there are some medical conditions that are always silent. They don't show some obvious signs and symptoms. By the time you realize, they have become serious. And usually, it is during screening or regular medical checkups that are usually being picked up. Because when you go for medical checkup, they will check your blood pressure, your blood sugar, and they also do some blood tests like your kidney function, your liver function, and your lipid profile. And it is through these medical checkup that it will pick it up that a particular medical condition has started. Sometimes we don't usually start giving medications at the initial phase. Nutritional counseling and certain kind of lifestyle changes can go a long way to help such a person if it's being picked up early. But if you don't utilize regular medical checkups, you will now develop the particular medical condition, and that can lead to stroke. The third thing we need to know is that sedentary lifestyle is one of the major causes of young people having stroke. Now, because regular intake of fatty or oily food that contains a lot of salty food, spicy food, and also one thing we need to know is that chronic stress. Now we live in a kind of world that a lot of young people are being stressed. Financial stress, relationship stress, family stress, burden on a lot of young people. And you see, when you become stressed consistently for a very long period of time, it makes your body produce some stress hormones. And these stress hormones tend to increase your blood pressure. And when your blood pressure becomes high for a very long period of time, that can predispose you to hypertension, and that can lead to stroke. Also, those of us who take alcohol and smoking tend to damage your blood vessels. And when your blood vessels become compromised, that can predispose you to stroke. So this is what I would want you to know in today's video, that a lot of young people are developing stroke. So if there is a need for you to take note of these 3 things that I've highlighted in today's video, then you need to do so. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people. I am Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession.